Hello and welcome to day 18 of Bedtime Welsh. Gosh, this is a long runner, isn't it now? And we've got a bunch of things to remember to say, haven't we? Yeah. So what's up? First of all, Idris is doing really well, and Idris has actually got Maddock to say isio. So well done, Maddock, too. And then we had a fantastic video from Alice, which she'd made with her dad, Daniel, to share with her friends at school on their Twitter feed. So she's trying to help more people find Bedtime Welsh. So that's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah. Da iawn, Alice. Ti'n dweud da iawn, Alice?
Da iawn.
Da iawn, Alice. And then Tilda is already making plans to come to the party when all this is over. So that's going to have to be a thing now, isn't it? Yeah, do you want that to be a thing? Do you want a party?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to invite all the kids who've been learning Welsh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay. So we're going to need to make that happen, aren't we? And Helena's doing really well. She's mixing up siarad and dweud. That's actually, Helena, that's a really good sign, because that means that your brain has understood that to speak and to say are quite close in meaning to each other. So it's just mixing them up because it's already understood them really quite well. So actually, that's a good thing. You should be really proud of yourself. Well done. Right, let's crack on. Today, we're going to teach you how to say something. It's a really useful word. You can use it all over the place. So something in Welsh is rhywbeth. Rhywbeth. So something.
Rhywbeth.
Rhywbeth. And then how about to play something?
Chwarae rhywbeth.
Chwarae rhywbeth. How about to say something? Pause and think about it, Helena. How about to say something?
Dweud rhywbeth.
Dweud rhywbeth. Great, fantastic. What's next? How about to say something now?
Dweud rhywbeth rŵan.
Dweud rhywbeth rŵan. And last one for today. Do you want to say something?
Wyt ti isio dweud rhywbeth?
Wyt ti isio dweud rhywbeth? Da iawn. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!